Good evening, hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel Balal Language School. Today we will learn some sentences about Adam and Eve. Let's start now. Creating a heavenly park, Lord placed Adam there. Creating a heavenly park, Lord placed Adam there. Adam felt lonely and was searching a friend in the garden as a companion. Adam felt lonely and was searching a friend in the garden as a companion. Then Lord created Eve from the rib of Adam. Then Lord created Eve from the rib of Adam. Lord made Eve beautifully with vibrant eyes, glazing hair, and glowing cheeks. Lord made Eve beautifully with vibrant eyes, glazing hair, and glowing cheeks. They led their life happily in God's garden. They led their life happily in God's garden. Eve was tempted by an evil force to eat forbidden fruit. Eve was tempted by evil force to eat forbidden fruit. Violating rules of pork, they became a bunch of apples eater. Violating rules of pork, they become a bunch of apples eater. Upon seeing this violation, Lord expelled this couple from Eden garden. Upon seeing this violation, Lord expelled this couple from Eden garden. Lord dumped them from paradise on earth. Lord dumped them from paradise on earth. Thus, Adam and Eve became ancestral parents of human race. Thus, Adam and Eve became ancestral parents of human race. We are the descendants of them. We are the descendants of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and keep learning with this channel. Thank you so much. Stay well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.